So it's to arm's lengths, and you do those 4 down there with your rifle?
Slugs.
Slugs. So those are slugs.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What's the range on them?
That's like 40 yards.
40?
When you're reloading, you're racking out a slug if you have extras. Don't do about right here. Don't get up in there. Don't go in the window.
So this is bird shot here.
6. Safety on, dump.
Okay.
You're grabbing your rifle. You're backing up, racking it. You want to back up so you're here. You can see both.
Hold on. Hold that pose.
All right. You want to be able to see both.
Through that port and those 4 targets through those windows?
Take the 4 silhouettes. 4 rifle.
Way
I'm
down there.
probably be on magnification 3.
Okay.
Because they're really tight together. And then re-engage right here from kneeling.
Okay, and those are about 100 yards.
Those are 100 yards.
Okay. Stage 3.
I guess somebody pulled their pistol out of their holster and pulled shelter.
Hit! 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 Hit!
4, 6, 8, 7.